Good morning children. Welcome to video class. See children, now today I am going to explain you unit 2. What is the unit 2 lesson name children? Regional and Roman numerals. What is the lesson name children? Regional and Roman numerals. See children, you can see what are these children? 0 to 9 numbers. 0 to 9 numbers. See children, at the first these symbols are used as numbers by Hindus. Why children? These numbers are used as uh, these symbols are used as numbers by our Hindus. So these are later on Arabians also used this for writing numbers children. These they used for writing numbers. So these are called Hindu Arabic numerals. What are these children? What are these are called? Hindu Arabic numerals. These are used by Hindus, and later on these are used by Arabians. So these are called Hindu Arabic numerals. These symbols are used as numbers. So from later on, from that time we started these using from 0 to 9. Everything based on this we use. All systems we have invented from this. At first these are invented by Hindus. So these are called Hindu Arabic numerals. See children, later on these are, you can see in page number 97 children, in page number 9, those are having term books. Open the term books, term one textbook. See children, these are called regional numerals children. These are called, in page number 97 you can see at first, in the first page, this you can see regional numerals. See children, first one Hindu Arabic, these are there in this column. Next one Devanagari, then Oriya, Gujarati, Kannada, Bangla, Marathi, Gurumukhi means Punjabi, Urdu, Telugu, Tamil and Assamese. These are called regional numerals. These are used in their states. These are used in their states children. We use these. We use in all Indian system we use these children. Next we will deal with Roman numerals children. Roman numerals. See children. What are your children? Here you can see 7 symbols. Where we use them in alphabets. Here 7 alphabets are there. Why? For what we are using children? These are invented by Romans. These are invented by Romans children. These are invented by Romans. So they are called Roman numerals. What are they called children? These 7 symbols which we can identify in alphabets. These are invented by Romans. So they are called Roman numerals. These are called Roman numerals. See children, these are called Roman numerals. 7 alphabets. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These, they are invented by Romans, so they are called Roman numerals children. See children, we can see the value of these. We will see the value of these. Children, this one 1, this one B 5, this one X 10, this one 50, C 100, D 500 and M 1000. See children, this is the value of Roman numerals children. These don't have place value children. They don't have place value, any place value. But they have value. This one we can use as 1. We can use as 5. This one X we can use as 10. This one L 50. C 100. In D 500 and M 1000. them in your notes. See children, these are placed in the column in the textbook 97 page. You can see the column in Roman numerals and equivalent to Hindu-Arabic numerals. These Romans and equivalent to Hindu-Arabic numerals. This one you can see in page number 97 children. Next, turn the page children. In 98, there is an exercise. There is an exercise. See children, some are missing. Some are missing children. We'll do those. See children. Children, in page number 98, see children, in page number 98, in top of the page, we can see an exercise. We can see an exercise. This one, some values are missing. We'll complete those children. They have given the complete the table. Those who are having term and textbook, open page number 98 and see children, once listen and follow, and whichever is missing you write children. See children, first one, these are Hindu-Arabic numerals and these are Roman numerals. We should present them like this children. We should present them like this. One, see children, one in Roman numeral 1 and here one we wrote one value, and 2 children. This is Roman numeral children. This is for 2 Roman numeral and this one value children 1 plus 1, and this one 3 Hindu-Arabic numeral, and this one is Roman numeral and we use them as 1 plus 1 plus 1. We showed them as 1 plus 1 plus 1. Here children, this is 4. This one is Roman numeral 4. This one 5 minus 1 children. Or we can write as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4 ones we can show children by using plus sign. Or we can show this as 5 minus 1. This children 5. This one is Roman numeral children. Here we can write it as 5. Just 5 number we can write 5 number. Here children 6 1. This one is Roman numeral 6 children. This symbol is Roman numeral. Then here 5 plus 1. It is what? The value is 6 children. Then 7 children. This one is Roman numeral 7 children. Means here we are showing 5 Roman numeral and 1. So we will show you as 5 plus 1 plus 1 children. 5 plus 1 plus 1. 5 plus 1 plus 1. 7 children. Now 8. Here see children, we are using Roman numeral 5 1 1 1. For this we are showing 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1. See children, 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 8 children. 8. Here see children, this one 9. 9 Roman numeral 9 symbol, this children Roman numeral symbol. This one we present it as 10 minus 1. We can present it as 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, or this is easy no children, 10 minus 1. See children, 10. This one Roman numeral 10 children. This one Roman numeral 10. So this one 10. We are showing it as in Hindu-Arabic numeral. We are showing it as 10 children. Now underneath one table is there children. Tablet column is there. The following table shows the Roman numbers. Here we wrote from 1 to 20 no children. This one second 11 20. 11 from 11 to 20. Children, in 98 page, here one tablet column is there children. See, the following table shows the Roman numbers from 21 to 50. Here we have done my children 1 to 10. Remain 11 to 20 you do for homework. And here we can see from 21 to 50 children. They have shown the Hindu-Arabic numerals and Roman numerals children. They have shown you how to write it. It is there, the number is there in Hindu-Arabic numeral. How we present in Roman numeral children. How we should present in Roman numeral. See children, once I will show you here. See children, from 21, see children, 21. Here, 2 tens are there. Once, tens, 2 tens are there. How we present 10x? Children, 10x. See children, this is Hindu-Arabic numeral and Roman numeral. Like this, They have presented you from 21 to 50. See children, sum I will show you. 22. 2 ones, 2 tens. 2 tens means again we should write 2x. 10, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 again here 2. This is the presentation. See children, 23. Again 2 tens. 2 tens. So 2 tens, 3 ones. 3 ones children. So we'll present it as like this. From like this to from 21 to 29 we can write children. From 21 to means 25. See children, 25 again. Suppose 25. 2 tens. 2x 1 10 10. 5 we have symbol children. Roman numeral we should write like this children. Again see children, 30. Ones, tens, 30. What we should do children? 3x. Why? 0 has no value. 0 has no value. So no need to write. 3 tens. 10, 10, 10. 10 plus 10, 10. 20, 20 plus 10, 30. Like this we should present children for 30. So children, 30. Again 35. 35 you will get down. See children, 35. 3 tens. 10, 10, 10. 3 tens children. Then 5. 35. 10, 10, 10, 5. 35 children. See children, from 21 to 35 in one column is there. 36 to 50. See children, 36 to 50. You can write all these children like this. We can present them. See children, 40. 40. What we should do children? 40. 40 means 50 minus 10. 40. 50. I have shown you before in this page. I have shown you before in this page. What children, you can see this now children? Before I have shown you 50. What is it children? 50 L. L 50. 50 minus 10. So you can write symbol children. So you can write the symbol XL. XL 50 minus 10. XL. We can present it as like this children. For 40 Roman numeral, we should present it as then. From 41 to, we should write X. Like this we should write children. They are presenting like this. You can see children like this. See, after for 50, we should present L. We should present L children. See children, those are having textbooks. Go through 96, 97, 98 page. These columns you copy in your notes. Thank you children.